Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your country or region on your TikTok. So, if you go to your TikTok and then go to your profile, after that tap on these three lines on the top right corner of your screen and then settings and privacy. Now if you go to manage accounts, previously there used to be an option named region/country and you could change your country or region from the account, but as of now TikTok has removed that account. So there is only one way how you can change your country or region on TikTok, and that is by going to your Play Store or App Store and then typing VPN. Now you can download any of the VPN you want. It is not necessarily compulsory to download the VPN I've downloaded, but for now I'll simply download this VPN, which is on the first of the list, and now wait for it to download. Now once this VPN has been downloaded, simply open it. Now let's agree and continue. Now connect the VPN to any country or region you want to connect. So these are the locations you can connect to. These are a lot. And once you've connected to a VPN, currently I've connected to the United Kingdom's VPN, and now my TikTok's For You page will show mostly United Kingdom's videos. So that is how you change your country or region on your TikTok. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.